This summer, Samsung is gearing up to release the Galaxy Z Fold 7, continuing its lead in the foldable smartphone space. While foldables still remain a rare sight in public, their visibility might get a major boost soon. Apple is rumored to join the foldable market, possibly launching its first foldable iPhone as early as 2027. Like it or not, when Apple enters a market, the spotlight follows. As for Samsung, the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 is roughly 3 months away from launch, and new benchmarks are offering a clearer picture of what to expect. A device with the model number SEMF966U, suspected to be the US version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, was recently spotted on Geekbench. The listing shows a motherboard codenamed Sun, identifying Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, internally referred to as the Snapdragon 8 Elite, as the chipset, the same silicon powering the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. This effectively ends earlier rumors that Samsung might opt for a less powerful 7-core variant of the chip to manage thermal output. An ex-tipster has confirmed that the Z Fold 7 will indeed feature the full 8-core Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring parity with Samsung's next S-series flagships. Additionally, the benchmark confirms that the Z Fold 7 will come with 12 gigs of RAM, the same as the Z Fold 6, disappointing some who were hoping for a bump to 16 gigs. On the software side, the foldable was tested running Android 16, layered with Samsung's One UI 8, marking it among the first Samsung devices to ship with the upcoming OS. Samsung's next major launch event is expected to showcase not just the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but also the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and a new budget-friendly clamshell variant, the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition. There had been concerns about potential chipset downgrades to manage heat in the compact foldable form factor, but such worries appear to have been unfounded. Given the Z Fold's high price point, expected to remain around $1,799, Samsung is clearly under pressure to deliver premium specs across the board. While Samsung's foldables continue to evolve, Apple's rumored entry into the space could be a game changer, drawing fresh attention to the segment. For now, Samsung fans can rest assured that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will bring flagship-tier performance and the latest software enhancements. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.